contract. They are safely elected on March 27. An agreement was signed for a new contract with County Administrator. This document was signed in secret at a closed meeting. The people were not made aware of this agreement until it was executed. By signing this contract, Commissioner Ridgway, I believe, betrayed the trust of the citizens of this county that gave the trust that the citizens gave her last November and her oath of office. This contract, prepared by the administrator's lawyers, was accepted with very few changes and little or no negotiation. According to the contract, the taxpayers in Clay County will also be stuck with the legal bills accumulated by the administrator during these negotiations. I believe this contract unlawfully restricts the ability of citizens to hold the elected county commissioners accountable and infringes on our rights under the First Amendment. When the citizens were permitted to address the commission, the commissioners may not, quote, engage in debate during a public meeting, close quote, but defer to the administrator. This is a gag order prohibiting commissioners from answering policy questions. I should say this gag order prohibiting commissioners from answering policy questions has serious First Amendment implications. It allows, thank you. First Amendment implications. It allows commissioners to hide behind a wall of bureaucracy they built and claim no responsibility to answer the citizens they should serve. The citizens of this county deserve better. They deserve answers to their legitimate questions from their elected officials. The associate commissioners spinelessly handed over even more lawful authority of the commission to an unelected official. By Commissioner Ridgway's 2017 Ordinance 2, where this authorization was given to the administrator, in contradiction of our responsibilities to taxpayers under Missouri Statute Section 5815.4, requiring commissioners to certify that they quote check every receipt, every source, every distribution of every kind, close quote, under penalty of law by the first Monday of March. As of March 27, Commissioner Ridgway had signed off on 60% of these 2016 expense warrants. There is a provision provided by Commissioner Ridgway and Owen that grants a six-figure golden parachute to the administrator. On top of that, there is no limit to the accumulated sick, comp, and vacation pay, which is unheard of in the private sector. A recent example of a similar provision is the retirement of Kansas City Police Chief Forte, who has reportedly accumulated nearly $500,000 in sick, comp, and vacation pay. The taxpayers of Clay County cannot afford such extravagances. Commissioners Ridgway and Owen have given authority to the administrator, quote, over all county facilities, including but not limited to alterations, demolition, and new constructions, close quote. That transfer of power to an unelected official is, in my opinion, a contradiction of Missouri statutes 49.310, 320, 330, 370, and 470. And finally, all provisions for professional and ethical standards have been removed. In the previous contract, the administrator was bound by the professional and ethical guidelines of the International City County Management Association. Those are guidelines followed by almost every city manager in Clay County and around the world. This removes nearly every means of accountability that was formerly in place. There are serious additional issues in this contract I will not go into at this time, but in my opinion, this contract is an abomination and a slap in the face to the citizens of Clay County. The commissioners are being transformed into high-priced figureheads. It reduces transparency, accountability, and the ability of citizens to redress their government with grievances. The actions of Commissioners Ridgway and Owen create a de facto charter form of government without a vote of the people or even open public discussion. I refuse to sign it and condemn it as possibly the most shameless abdication of power by elected officials I have ever experienced. With that, we will go into sessions. I will call this session